use a hammer, hit something.
Oh.
But no, I've done nothing like this.
Okay. Sure you'll be fine. Right.
I hope so.
You relax for a couple of minutes.
Take it away. I'm not going to hold that.
Not quite. It's flashing at me. It's saying you have like 10 minutes or something.
To shake it?
It works sometimes. It's a bit. See, it's not actually catching it.
It's all work.
Right.
Whatever floats your boat.
Never had any. Well, never needed to do that. We make it. So it's all walking around with a hammer. So now I've got to make it on this one. I'll have a go.
Right, okay, let's start you off. We're just working one side of the metal.
Yeah.
So it's just very simple. And if our hammer blows reasonably accurate, it ends up pretty uniform, you know, shot. And that's all down to the angle of our hammer head in relation to the handle. And there we go, just a simple flat point, which we normally use for scrolls, screwdrivers, chisels. That's what I will be doing a little bit is taking a piece of string steel, making a chisel, hardening temporary, and we'll test it.
When are you doing that?
Well, it's up to you. When you're done. So, and then we get a long heat. Into the metal, just over the edge of the anvil. If you listen, I'm not hitting the metal between the hammer and the anvil, it's just off the anvil. Turn it over, tap it towards us. Then, like taps, as we rotate the metal under the hammerhead, give us a consistent curve. You need to quench that out, because we're going to hit that now. So it's harder than the hot metal. And we follow it round as far as we can. Now I'm left-handed, you may be right-handed, and this is set up for a right-handed person actually.
Okay.
Keep feeding the metal out slowly. I will help if you've got problems. Here we go. Alright. Ish. There we go.
Not the
I don't expect you to do it in 2 heats, but there we go.
challenge accepted.
All yours. What we'll do, I'll put the other hole together. Hold the correct place now. Because obviously the flat has to be the same plane as that, so it's either there or there, whichever way you decide to work. When you put your metal in the fire, keep it level, helping the fire around the metal work. Okay. Alright? All yours. Shropshire. Obviously the Shropshire. A little bit, push it a little bit further through, that's it, we'll get a little bit longer here. Good boy, let's have a look, it should be about ready. There you go, all yours. So, there we go, right on the edge of the anvil, and your hammer sort of half off, half on. Go, let's have a look. That's it, still. A little bit more near the end.
Let the hammer do the work.
That's not bad at all. There you go. Very cool. So, just one thing, we're going to go for the bend now. And the thing is, that hook needs to be bent down when we start that end.
So, that way when it comes out.
Okay. There you go, just stop it then. It won't take long to get through. Yeah. We'll do it in 2 stages. We'll do the first one, we'll put it back in. Alright, let's have a look.
No, I'm not. I'm still on the
Fine. So it's just off the
public services as well.
Yeah.
It basically covers all the 999 services.
All the way over, it's a bit awkward.
I'm mainly doing it because I want to get my fitness up and running.
Up and down on that end. Lightly, rotate the metal as you go, back again. Tapping. suppose in Blacksmithing, we need to know when to stop.
Straight in on that course.
Yeah, well, you can go straight in and even knock them off.
So, would have been very thin.
You don't need any qualifications to get in. Obviously, if you're going something like engineering or then background in it, yeah. No, I mean, it's not like that for all things. If you're happy,
Have you got?
they don't like people who
Good.
the talk. It's because it's a really different style. Unless you've done the right style. So, yeah. So,
right.
You're coming in with habits.
Well, we do run courses. I've got speed up number one.
Their methods. Exactly. Yeah, pretty much.
There you go. Roughly 45 degrees to the bit. Oh, that's it. Quite hard. Pull it round. Pull it. Go. Just off the anvil. Keep feeding. Stop. Right, see, we've got some lovely things going on here. We just tap that there. See, we've got a bit of a flap there. Right, so here you go. Come on. Hold on to it. Give it a tap just there. Yeah. Stop. There, that's almost got them there. Let's grab hold. What we do, we have a look. See, it's slightly offset. So don't let how much goes. What about there? There you go. Gee, right. Now you can put your hammer down. You can stop and twist it. I'll keep an eye on this just in case we lose an end. We don't lose an end of this. Easily done. So what I'll do is offer it up into there. You grab the tongs from behind my hand so you don't plug anyway. The other things. And I can clean the fire out and there you go. Blacksmith brooms, charge you an extra couple of quid back because it's not really an blacksmith. Right, here we go then. So, half level to there. Coming close and tight. There you go. Good hands up. I'll just stop it there. Right, so you can move your hand round. There you go. Remember to do 160 degrees. Stop. Right. That's over there. And of course, when you get used to it, you try to keep it pretty much in line. Come to the end of the angle, just sort of little taps. Before you go in straight again. Plunge in it. There you go. Cross my palm, there's a tornado penny in here. Oh, it must have been with us,
Hold it up.
Oh, well done, Andrew. Thank you very much.
Hold it up, Andy.
Hold it up, Andy.
Oh, yeah, I haven't had another open. Well, you could have done with a pair of tongs on the hammer, couldn't you? Come on, let's get there.
Hang on a second.
Oh dear.
There you go.
Very short.
Well, I'm just filming.
Beautiful.
Done?